Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm super excited to unbox a new product which is Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. So this is a best mirrorless camera for a blogger or for the content creator who want to shoot their video in high quality or shoot their image in high quality. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. And this product I brought from the Sony Center, and this is the package they give me, that bag, and inside that I have the product, and with that they give some more thing like this is the bag which is they give me. Okay, let's side this thing and let's talk about the main unit. So in white box we will get this product, and in this side you can see the product name which is comes from Sony. So I will talk about the how much it cost to me, all the things I will discuss. So total in the top side is the warranty mentioned, like 2 + 1 year warranty is there. 64 GB memory card is the inside the box you can get. This is the product image you can see here, or nothing much, some specification, which type of mount is there, those kind of stuff mentioned here. And I guess that's it. Let's open. Already I opened the box in our store to verify the product. So seal is already open. Okay, so if I open the top, here you can see the memory card present here, which is Sony branded memory card. And let me put aside. Then on the top we have lots of documentation. Okay, so first one is just a, you can see all the product of Sony here. They mention if you want to buy, then you can check it. And this is the lens and accessories. They give the description of the lens. You have the QR code and the accessories QR code. You can scan and check out their products. This is some other paperwork, like details about the camera, how you will mount your lens here, what are the ports are there, all the things described here. You can check this thing also. Okay, I will check it later. This is some documentation type of thing I don't want to read. And this is the warranty registration. So I need to scan this QR code and need to register the warranty. So completely 2 + 1 year warranty is there. So for additional 1 year I need to separately register. So this is some other details, warranty card, that kind of thing. So let me put this thing aside. Let me open the box and let's see the main content. So in box we have a strap which is thin, so if you want then you can buy separately. Okay, so this is the main unit. So due to this is a recent product, so maybe most of the online store don't have this product, so that's why I brought from the Sony Center. There is a lens version also coming. Means there is a kit lens will attach here. I guess 50 mm lens will be there, but I only brought the body so that I can buy a separate lens which is kit for me. So that's why. So only body I brought. So this is the product you can see. Very handy and very small and lightweight. We will talk about this. Okay, and what we get inside the box. Okay, so two more stuff we have. So let's put this side. Okay, so this one is the new battery. So new Sony, this is quite big, and this is the J type battery which will provide a long battery. I expect a long battery duration it will provide. So here we have a wind blast, and due to this is a blogger, mainly Sony focused to the content creator and blogger, then you are getting the 3-directional dedicated mic here. So for protect that from the wind, they provide this one. Now we can see how it's look. Okay, tell me on the comment. Okay, so let's put all the things side and let's talk about the main unit. So the predecessor version is the Sony ZV-E10, which is also made for the content creator. So the previous ZV-E10 has the 24 megapixel sensor, but this has the 26 megapixel sensor. So you can shoot a very good quality videos and click very good quality photos. So first let's talk about the physical buttons. So on the top, as I mentioned previously, we have a 3-directional mic here on the top, and here you can switch the camera to video to slow motion. and this is a dial which you can customize as per your need. And this is the power button, you can turn on and turn off. And on the back side you can see whatever the regular camera buttons are there, you can see here, and you can customize those things. And near the button you have the flip screen. You can see here I can flip 360 degree. Okay, you can go down and you can flip to front also. Okay, so that's in the physical overview. And if I talk about the specification of this camera, then this camera has 20 megapixel APS-C format examiner R CMOS sensor with Bionage XR image processing, which will provide you a great image and video quality. And this camera has a best-in-class 559 focus point for the autofocus, which will give so ease to the vlogger during the outdoor shooting or indoor shooting or any product showcase. And if I talk about the audio section of this camera, as I previously mentioned, this camera has a 3 directional mic for the better audio quality, so that you will never worried about the sound on the outdoor or indoor. Okay, if you want to record your video in the camera mic, it will also provide you a great quality. And connectivity wise, you will get all the options in ZV-E10. We have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and USB option to transfer the data. And Sony provides some awesome application for this camera, which you can install on your devices, iOS device or Android device, or I guess some desktop application also there. So those are some highlighted features of the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Rather than these, there are lots of technical changes they made in this device, but you can check on the internet. After clubbing all this together, the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is a fantastic option for those who are looking a versatile lightweight camera that packed with pro level features for both photography and videography. It's perfect for blogger, YouTuber and content creator who want all-in-one solution in high quality footage without breaking the bank. So that's the unboxing of Sony ZV-E10 and my first impression, and I talk about the specification. Let me know if you are planning to buy. So for today video we will end here, and if you are planning to buy a camera in this segment, then you can check it out and let me know on the comment. So for today that's it, and thank you. Let's see on the next video.